Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a whale! For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, dark blue, and light blue. This drawing is 20 squares tall by 30 squares wide. Let's start by skipping 10 squares from top to bottom. In the 11 squares, we're going to mark 2 vertically with black color. Above and to the right, mark 3 horizontally. From this square, go up and mark 2 vertically. Above and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 4 vertically. Below and to the right, mark 1. Above and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Above and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Above and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Above and to the right, mark 3 diagonally. Above and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 8 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Below and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Below and to the right, mark 7 vertically. Below and to the left, mark 2 vertically. Below and to the left, mark 1. Below and to the left, mark 2 horizontally. From this square, below and to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. From this square, go down and mark 2 vertically. At the level of this square, to the right mark 3 horizontally. Above and to the right mark 6 horizontally. On this line, count 2 squares from left to right and above mark 3 vertically. From this square, above and to the right mark 4 horizontally. From this square, go down and mark 3 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 1. From this square, skip 4 squares and up mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 7 squares to the left and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 1. Above and to the right, mark 1. And now, let's color in all the squares we marked. I invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell to automatically become part of the Pixeler Club, which is what we call our family here at Pixelados. Now, let's take the dark blue color and from this square to the left, mark 3 horizontally. Above and to the left, mark 3 horizontally. From this square, to the right, mark 4 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 5 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. And now, let's color! I want to let you to know that I have a channel with hundreds of drawings in Spanish with subtitles, and you can find it in the top corner and in the description of this video. Now, take the light blue color and let's paint the rest of our way. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. Sending you a kiss, a giant hug filled with lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!